Hello, I am a Milton High School student, and I have created this video to display modern 4th grade math material and techniques. The methods and strategies used in this video are the same strategies that your child has been taught to use. I hope that after watching this video, you'll be better prepared to assist your child with math homework and help them understand the problem-solving methods that Common Core standards expect them to develop and use effectively. In this video, I will cover operations of algebraic thinking. The expectations of Common Core for this unit are to use 4 operations with whole numbers to solve problems, gain familiarity with factors and multiples, and generate and analyze problems. Today I'll be covering the first expectation, the use of 4 operations with whole numbers to solve problems. The work in the standard is for students to be able to recognize a situation as a multiple comparison and then be able to write the multiplication equation that represents the situation.
Sarah's mother is 4 times as old as Sarah. Sarah is 8 years old. How old is Sarah's mother? In this problem, the student should be able to recognize the problem is comparing Sarah's mother's age to hers. The student should be able to write the equation 8 times 4 equals 32. This problem is a good example of application shift in Common Core. Now students need to be able to read a problem and immediately be able to write the expression 8 times 4. In this case, the answer is 32. 8 times 4 equals 32. Students also need to be able to write and understand this equation as saying 32 is 8 times as many as 4, and 32 is 4 times as many as 8. We will look more at multiplicable comparison problems in the next standard. The second standard is multiply or divide to solve word problems involving multiplicable comparisons. A green scarf costs $6. A pink scarf costs 3 times as much as the green scarf. How much does the pink scarf cost? A pink scarf costs $18, and that is 3 times as much as a green scarf costs. How much does a green scarf cost? A pink scarf costs $18 and a green scarf costs $6. How many times as much does a pink scarf cost as the green scarf? Let's use bar models or tape diagrams to represent these 3 different problems and to see how the model helps determine which operation we need to use to solve it. Looking at the first model, we know that the green scarf costs $6. We want to find out how much the pink scarf costs. Looking at the model, we can see that the green scarf is 6, the pink scarf is 1, 2, 3 times as much as the green scarf. So we can write 6 times 3 equals 18. In the second problem, we see a pink scarf costs $18. And that is 1, 2, 3 times as much as the green scarf costs. How much does the green scarf cost? We can look at the model and write the equation 8 divided by 3 equals 6. Let's look at the third problem. This is a little tricky. Let's explain how it would be done. So we know that the pink scarf costs $18 and that the green scarf costs 6. That is given in the problem. We want to know how many times more the pink scarf costs than the green scarf. In actuality, what the student would do is draw a $6 green scarf and then just draw a bar that is $18 for the pink hat, this pink scarf. And they would use the equation to determine how to split up those bars. So, 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Using the bar models makes it very clear what operation we have to use to solve the problem. Relying on keywords and multi-step problem-solving strategies are not nearly as reliable if these were additive comparison problems. The question would be, a green scarf costs $6, a pink scarf costs $18. How much more does a pink scarf cost than a green scarf? So for additive comparison, we are asking how much more, and for multiplicable comparison, we are asking how many times as much. This is an important distinction.